Good morning, children. Today we'll be doing this beautiful Christmas card. So let's start with Christmas tree. But before that, first of all, I'll tell you what all you'll be needing for this. See, so here what I've used a simple paper, white paper. This is a cartridge sheet. So you can use cartridge sheet also, and if you want, you can use watercolor sheet also. 300 GSM. Okay, so this is a cartridge sheet. So you can use any font to make this. Plus you will be needing these colors. I'm using Artist watercolor cakes. So this is available in like in 24 shades also and 18 shades also. It's up to you which type of palette you want, a bigger one or a smaller one. So here I'll use, this is a sap green. This shade is sap green. Okay, it's written over here. Okay, this is sap green and this is brown. So I'll be using these two colors today. So first of all, sorry, you have to decide that what will be the size of your tree. So if you want, you can use a pencil also. So to draw, here I'm using a brush. Like my tree will be this much. Okay. It should be like this much. Okay, so now let's start. So first of all, I'm taking lightest tone. So you just have to take few drops of water, mix, and then you have to make little slanting lines. Like this. One thing is very important, that you have to leave some white space in between. See, when you make these strokes, now you have to leave some white space. See, like this. And children, if you're trying it for the first time, if one from like पहली बार में आपको नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं बन रहा है, that's okay, that's perfectly fine. You can try 2-3 times. Okay, एक दो बार try करोगे फिर बन जाएगा. Because you have not used watercolors before, so you have to practice. See, I'm leaving some white space and automatically shades are coming. Why? Because when you take color, na, light dark shade will come. Okay, and after giving 2-3 strokes, the color will automatically become light. So here what you have to do, you just have to make few strokes like this. So now we have this shape with this. Now what I'll do, I'll apply some dark tone. So now what I'll do for dark tone, I'll use less water. And now what I'll do, you just have to use a fine brush for giving darker tone. If you want, you can use a smaller number also. So now see, my green is also there, light green. Okay, now I am applying dark green. Not everywhere, but like few places, especially this part, नीचे वाला part जो है. Okay, edges and few more strokes. Now see, both the colors are mixing because my tree is wet. Now a few more here also. Let it dry completely and then you can give one more shade, like a darker tone. Now for darker tone, what I'll do, I'll mix this one, this brown, little bit of brown. Okay, a drop of color. I just have to mix little bit of brown and green. You can use blue also uh, to make a little darker tone, but here I am using brown because for trees and all those natural things now it's better to use brown. That will give you natural tone. Like this. Only in few places we'll put. Okay, especially here. And fine tone, fine strokes you have to make. See, like this. Little bit of brown is needed. See, it's mixing all together. All the shades are visible now. See, light green is there, dark green and white. Got it? Now what I have to, just have to wash my brush. Now I'll take this brown. Little bit of brown is needed. So I'm using brown here. Okay, now like this, little bit of green, like this. Okay, and then you have to wash your brush and you have to give that shadow effect. Okay, like this you have to give some shadow effect. From one side dark, one side light. Okay, and then wash your brush nicely and then mix this color like this. You have to mix your color with water, only with water. The shadow effect you have to give it water, and then after that here if you need some darker tone you can add on. Okay, now I'll use this yellow to make a star. On top of it you can make a star also. And try 2-3 times and then you're able to do this. Okay, and if you want to add on some ornaments or to decorate it, that's okay. Thank you children, God bless you.